Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. We all know that there are a lot of transactions happening around us every day. After this transaction is identified, it is first recorded in a chronological form in the primary account books that is called journal book. This transaction is later transferred to ledger by its classification. Ledger is also called the king of all books. So, in this video, we will learn why ledger is called the king of all books. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting. So, let's get started. Why ledger is called the king of all books of account. Ledger is the king of all books. Once the transaction has been identified, it is first recorded in the journal book, and then the transaction is transferred to ledger by classification. After that, the financial statement of that business is prepared. It relies on the balance of the ledger to determine an organization's profit or loss. Ledger is the center of all information about a business organization. The following are the reasons why ledger is called the king of all books. 1. Through the ledger, all business transactions are permanently recorded in the books of the account. 2. The information stored in the ledger provides an accurate idea of the actual financial condition of the business, such as income, expenditure, liability, and capital. 3. Ledger helps to prepare an organization's final account. 4. The mathematical accuracy of the accounts can be verified through the ledger. 5. Any problems arising from the accounts can be avoided through the ledger. 6. Misunderstanding of any matter can be resolved easily with the information stored in the ledger. I think you are clear why ledger is called the king of all books of accounts. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.